Sometimes you're my anomaly, and I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take,
in their joys and in their sorrows. In the name of Christ Jesus.
I choose
Best
you.
wishes on this wonderful journey as you build your new lives together. Wishing you joy, wishing you love and happiness as you begin your new life together.
More than just a
With all that I am,
wedding, this is
and all
etched
that I have,
into
I
eternity.
honor you. To live
With
together in holy marriage.
union
Love
we
her, comfort her,
will
honor,
move mountains,
and
we
keep
will live on our
forsaking all others.
knees,
Be faithful to her
'cause
as long
he'd
as you
choose
walk shall live
us.
heaven.
In 100 lifetimes, he'd choose us. In 100 worlds, he'd find us.
There's a new air around me. The waves crash onto my feet. Breathing in my surroundings, I fall into a daydream. I look back to the palm trees in the hills by the sea, where I can set myself free to finally be at peace. Everything looks a little different without you next to me, holding my hand, but I'm okay with it. I'm just fine, taking it all one step at a time, moving slower than ever before. Somehow it feels like I'm doing so much more, lost in moments in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I. And I, in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I. And I, just me, myself, and I. Oh, just me, myself, and I.
On this wonderful journey as you build your new lives together.